In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your taskbar showing even in full screen mode in your Windows 10. So stick till the end and let's get started. First and foremost, check your taskbar settings. For that, just go ahead and type taskbar settings and click on it. And then you will see something like this. Here, make sure to turn on the lock the taskbar, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode, and automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. Make sure all these three are on and don't touch the others. We don't need that. And if this does not fix your problem, then we have to go ahead and check the taskbar manager. For that, right click on the taskbar and there you will see this option called taskbar manager. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have to locate Windows Explorer. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on restart and this should fix your problem. Well, these were our two solutions. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.